Get protocol plus hostname from URL. In my Django app, I need to get the hostname from the referrer and request.meta.get http_referrer, along with its protocol so that from URLs like https://docs.google.com/spreadsheet/ccc?key equals blah 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 #get equals 1. https://stackoverflow.com/question/1234567/ blah blah blah. http://www.example.com. https://www.otherdomain.breaktime equals 1/ v1 equals 0 and v2 equals blah plus blah. I should get https://docs.google.com/ https://stackoverflow.com/ http://www.example.com https://www.otherdomain.example/. I looked over other related questions and found about URL parse, but that didn't do the trick since
you should be able to do it with URL parse, docs, Python 2, Python 3.
This URL. This is a more verbose version of URL parse. It detects domains and subdomains for you. From their documentation. Extract result is an emit tuple, so it's simple to access the parts you want.
Python 3 using URL split. Pure string operations. That's all, folks.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.